Good morning, friends. Friends, today we will talk about how to create impressive resumes. Guys, we all know that there are many paid services available in the market which offer resume creating services. But most of us are not aware that MS Office has some inbuilt resume formats which are really beautiful and stunning. And of course, all of these are absolutely free. So please be with me till the end of this video and please do not skip video in between because I will be sharing many aspects in the video. So guys, to proceed, I will open MS Word in my computer and let us start how we can create an impressive resume. And now we'll click on new and there is the option of resumes and cover letters. So once you click there are multiple formats available here. We are not going to select any of these. Just scroll down and you would see there is option of PowerPoint, Excel and another applications. Yes, this is the option that I am talking about. So just click any of this format. I'm going to select this one and we'll go ahead with this format in this video. Just select this and it's opening in PowerPoint. Let it open. So this is the format that I was talking about. See how beautiful and how good it is looking. We're going to edit this one. Here you can edit your picture, about me section, and there is education section, and below this we have few achievements, then personal details, contact information over here. We have to edit all these details as per our convenience and as per our requirement. We have career timeline given over here, which is very impressive, and languages, then hobbies icon is given over here, and expertise skills option. Will go one by one with all of these options and edit this. First of all, I'm going to edit this name. And now in this expertise part, make sure whatever figures that you are entering over here, the sum should be equal to 100%, because these are the options that is going to contribute in our expertise area. So some should be 100%. I'm just editing those figures, and you would see that some of these 4 expertise areas that I am giving over here is going to be 100%. So this is the scale part. We have to edit this also. Just click this and ungroup. So now the another part is the map area. Let's open a website wherein we can customize our Asia map, because the area is different in the format. The Europe part is given. I will also share this link in the description of this video, wherein you can customize the map as per your requirement. See, this is the website, and we are going to select the same color given in the format. And how can we select the same color? We have to pick the exact color from here. Just save this map first into your machine. Save as picture basically. So we are going to save this in our machine. Now I'll open another website where we can pick color from a particular picture. I'm again going to share this link also in the description of this video. See, this is the website that we are going to open. Let it open. Now what we have to do, we have to select our own image, the same map that we saved in our machine just before. Just browse and move to that part. This is the picture that I saved. Now you see, this is the map part. Now once you click on the area, it will give you the numbers, or you can say the color coding of that particular part. Just copy this color code and move to the website where we were customizing the map part. So here we can use the same format now. Okay, we have to spend some time to create this wonderful resume, but once it's over, you would see the result is very beautiful. I'm just clicking each of these countries. Once done, we have to change the background part also. Right now the background part is white. We have to select the same background which is given in our resume format. Let me show you how we can do this. First of all, just remove the borders and just save this entire resume in JPG format so that we can pick the color in our website. Just click on file and save as, and in the format part just select the JPEG, this desktop, and here I'm going to select as JPG. Just give a name and click on save. Now guys, I'll again go to the site wherein we are going to pick the color, the background color basically. Just browse and select the picture that we just saved. So this is the picture format, and these are the ads that there is no use of this ad, but we have to encounter these also. Now picking the color, this color I would pick here, and let us copy this coding and go to the background part, click on more color. Once you click on more color, there is the option of coding. Just paste the coding over here and click on choose. See, this is the background that I was talking about. This is the same background which is given in our resume format. So our map part is ready over here. We have to just click on preview and then we can download the map. Just click on download. And now once it get downloaded, we will go to the PowerPoint, to our resume format, and we will insert this picture over there. Now click on insert and then picture. We will select the same map that we customize in another website. Just crop this as per the requirement. Just move the location part to the specified place. And now the most important part, your photograph. You have to insert your photograph over here. I have already saved one of my photograph in my machine. Just editing this picture. So guys, our resume is ready. Now we can convert this to a PDF format so that we can share it further. How we can do it? Just click on file, click on export, and there is an option of create PDF. So we will click on create PDF. Now give it a suitable name over here. I'll give this as a my resume and I'm going to save it on the desktop and click on publish. So it is publishing now. So it has been published now. Let us see how it looks like. This is the document that I just saved. I just clicked on to open it. See how beautiful it looks like. Guys, I am sure you like this one. Guys, there are many more videos yet to come. So please do share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.